Okay, today is the... Ano ba ngayon? Kasi talaga moment of silence eh. 21.
Hey! Saan punta?
Nagwawala na naman lola ko. Today is the 22nd. Yeah. 22nd of November 2013. At nagwawala na naman lola ko. I don't want to show you guys. Bala na. Ayun. Wait lang guys. Kalmahin ko lang yung lola ko. Hi, Bon. Ano yan? Bakit yung isa pink, yung isa walang kulay?
Girl.
Guys, alam niyo na ako ng sexuality ni Bon. Yun na yun. Joke lang! Lalaki yan. Ayun, so right now, I'm at work. I don't have classes yet. Hindi pa ako makapag-window. Soda. Alam mo yung feeling na... Kasi, you guys know, earlier, my grandma was like throwing a fit. Tipong... Nagsasalita ako ba? Tipong... yun, umabo. Ayun, tipong ano kasi, tipong kakasimula ng vlog ko, biglang, ang hirap patana... Tama ba yung term? Ang hirap patahanin ng matandang may Alzheimer's. I tell you guys. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-makeup. Dapat na mag-makeup ako today kasi mag-picture kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-makeup. Seryoso, nainis talaga ako. Sabi ko, ano ba naman yan, Nay? Kaysa mag-aayos na ako, papatahanin ko muna kayo. Ayan. At dahil din dyan, hindi ako nakapagluto ng lunch. Kaya, ito ang bangon ko today. Medyo nag-violent reaction yung nanay ko nung kinuha ko to sa ref namin. This is... Tadaan! If you guys don't know that this is kutsinta. Paborito ko to. Super love ko to. So, kinuha ko yung isang kutsinta sa ref. Tapos, I have 2 bananas. And then, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Wait. Cat! Yun. Kasi, healthy living si Lola. Tapos, nag-exercise ako kanini. I did my workout. Yung pump it up. Oh my God. Nag-collapse ako after. Alam mo yun, pag nag-workout, like, I do workout, but hindi ganun ka-intense like what I did earlier. Tapos talagang, pagkatapos ko mag-workout, nag-collapse talaga ako sa sahig. Kasi naglilinis yung nanay. At sa gulat siya, nakahiga ako sa sahig. Sabi niya, ano nga, mataya na. Sabi ko, wait lang, pinapangaramdam ako lang yung sahig. Nangingig yung legs ko eh. Sabi niya, tumayo ka dyan, madami. I don't care, basta makahiga ako. Mag-makeup na muna ako, guys. Nalta ko yung sinawa. Uy, oo, may balloons. Siyempre si Arnel, cameraman. Birthday girl. Happy birthday! Gano'ng kabata ka na? Ay, sorry naman.
Yes.
How young are you? 19? 19? Exact. Sa pagka-19. Okay, natin 21. Uy, gusto ko yung shoes mo. Wait. Highlight natin yung shoes mo. Gusto ko yung shoes mo. I like your boots. Ang ganda pa ng dress. Ngayon na? May Facebook?
No, na.
Ay, pati yun ng catalog. This is Natalie. Today is her birthday. Video vlog, YouTube. No, the shoes. Ano ba yung shoes na maganda?
Shoes, this one, this is from the catalog.
Wait, yung maganda yung
Here.
maganda yung shoes nila.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. Mamimili muna ako ng shoes. Look what Ayensu gave me. She gave me Jollibee soft serve ice cream. So, the reason why is because Aryan was not here yesterday. She accompanied her nephew to a field trip. Yun. Ang lambot naman ng ice cream. Sarap. Ice cream. Partner! Wala ka namang sabi.
Brenda Bata.
Hey guys! Wow. Mega zoom in. Ayan. So right now, I'm at work. I'm gonna have my third class for today. Ang time mo yun? Third class ko pa lang to. 5 o'clock na. Usually, during Fridays, pinito talaga. 3 minutes pa. I actually don't feel okay. Like, seriously, I don't feel good. May insta ko. I feel irritated. I feel pissed. Parang feeling ko gusto kong manapak ng tao tonight. Rinse talaga. Kasi ano ayoko kasi yung ano, may issue. Tapos, ang lit-lit na issue, parang pinapalaki. Gets nyo? Ayoko nang ganun. Parang, if you can't, you know, if it can't be done, or tapos na yung issue, huwag ka na mag-move on ka. Diba? Huwag ka mag-move on, te. Sa relationship ka, may nag-move on. Sa ganyan pang issue, hindi. Tapos naiwan ko pa yung charger ko sa bahay. Diba? Saya-saya din eh. Naiwan ko yung charger ko sa bahay. Gaganito din ako yan. Yung charger. I feel like a destitute today. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. Then nag-aayos ako ng bag. At ayokong istorbo. Sarap. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. I'm pissed off. I don't really want to open up. Bakit? I mean, as much as I would like, ayoko munang sabihin sa inyo bakit ako bad trip. Kasi ayoko talaga ng basta. Ayoko ng tissue. Visit ako. Ano yun? I get pissed off a lot. Pero ayoko yung, alam mo yun, yung pissed off ka na nga. Aasarin ka pa, aasarin. Tapos, alam mo yung parang natutuwa sila. Ako hindi ako natutuwa. Swear. I'm gonna eat my dinner, which is bananas. Gusto ko naman, mali pala yung saging na nakuha ko, lamog na pala yung nakuha ko. Oh well, saging pa rin naman. Kain mo yan. Okay, I have to chill. And I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hey guys! Okay, so I am done with my work. I'm done with classes. It's just that I'm finishing some articles for my blog that I will be posting tonight. Oh, actually, isa lang ipopost ko tonight. So yeah. Wait lang. Oh my golly. I'm done. It's been posted. I've posted it already. Whew, Lord. Tapos na ako. Wala na akong responsibilities. I'm done. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut this vlog now. Like, I don't have anything to do anymore. So yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know. I'm gonna cut this vlog now kasi I'm not gonna do anything anymore naman. So yeah. If ever I'm gonna shoot another one, makikita nyo naman eh. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.